Good evening, young Eagles and young Eagle parents. My name is Colleen Robertson. I am the one of the CTHEI and Gateway teachers for the 8th grade students here at Young Junior High. As far as student expectations, parent expectations, going forward for the remainder of the school year, parents, I really encourage you to check Parent Self-Serve. Check your students' grades often. Help with it, have them, that way you can see missing grades. And help them along the way to get those grades completed so that they're successful in class. All assignments for CTHEI and Gateway are in the Canvas modules. They're laid out very easy to follow format for the students and parents as well. Laid out daily for the week by each day that you can follow through that. So it makes it easy for you guys to follow and understand what we're doing for a particular week. Student expectations, just continue to be responsible for checking your grades, submitting assignments, and making sure that things are done to the best of your ability. Being respectful and responsible to those around you if you're in the classroom, as well as respectful and responsible during Zoom meetings. Excuse me. For CTHEI, this semester we are really focusing on our high school course plans and prepping for high school so that the students know what they would like to take and what paths they would like to follow in high school. We will also be working on some college and career readiness, doing a college research project, as well as doing some career research to see what they'd like to study in college. For Gateway, we will continue with some coding in automation and robotics as much as we possibly can. We will try to do some hands-on things. However, with the present time and where we are right now, we won't be able to build any robots or anything at this point. It may be something that I build a robot and we actually program it and the kids can see it run. But as far as them building robots at this point, we won't be able to do that. But we will do some coding and we will do some fun activities with those things. I highly encourage you guys, reach out to me via email. My email is jrobert5@aisd.net. And I will be sending a follow-up email to this video with all of my contact information for you. If you ever have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me anytime. I'm more than happy to help. Thanks and have a great day.